Hey, welcome back to Always Learning. What are we doing today? Well, today I'm going to show you how to take care of this little Hamlin bunny grass right here, and what you're going to do. First thing you're going to do is I'm going to take out my handy dandy leaf taco, and I'll leave a link in the bottom below. But this is great for cleaning up landscaping because it can quickly, not that I'm showing you here, but it can quickly fold back into a small little disc, and then I just stick it behind some stuff in the garage, and then it's always available to pop out. But it's great for leaves, but it's also great for filling up your landscaping grass. I always get the Menards 55-gallon trash bag. It just gives you a lot of room, and you can stuff a lot in there, and it just slides over the majority of the leaf tacos, so it makes it easy to do. And then I just take, it's a Ryobi. I know people are going to give me grief, but it's a great little hedge trimmer, and you can literally just, you can use clippers as well, but the uh, hedge trimmer just goes so fast. And then just take a rake and rake it in, and you are done, and you are off to the next one. So makes it super easy to do, and you can get all your grass cut in short order. So here I'm just doing the same thing, setting up the leaf taco right by it, using the sweep and just kind of coming through and pushing it all in, raking it in. Off you go to the next one. You can see you can go really fast. These little bunny grass or Hamlin, they're pretty easy to do. You can kind of trim around the edges and get it kind of all done and in there. The bigger grass, what you're going to want to do, especially if you don't have like a leaf taco, you're going to want to basically if you get the 55-gallon trash bag, you can put that trash bag over the top of it, kind of stuff it all in there, and then come back and cut it. If you don't have, if you don't have a hedge trimmer, a battery operated hedge trimmer, an electric one, if you just want to use hand shears, you can do it. It takes a little bit more time, but like I said, leaf taco is just great for leaves in general, brush landscaping cleanup, because you can really kind of organize it pretty quickly and stuff it back in the bag, stuff it all down in there, and then move on to your next one. There you go. Spring cleanup, nice and easy, quick, painless. Thanks for watching.